So Master Jedi mechanic status was achieved once again tonight, and this time I decided to document it on film. So this is a carburetor off of one of these cheap Chinese made scooters that are pieces of crap and usually not even worth buying. This carburetor is off a scooter made in China. I believe it's a 50cc scooter, and as with all of them, they're pieces of crap. This particular carburetor, when I went to work on it, I noticed that the float bowl screws that hold on the float bowl, these sons of bitches actually filed them off to make it non-serviceable. I just can't believe it. See, you can't take off these screws. I don't know if you can see that, but you can't take off the float bowl screws because they filed off the heads. So I'm going to grab a good and sharp sheetrock screw, and this is the little sucker we need to get out. I'm going to make an indentation in the edge of that. Hopefully you can see that. I think I'm going to do it right there. Well, maybe right there. Quick whack. Nice little indentation there. Hopefully I can get a grip now when I put the screwdriver in at the angle and begin banging on it. Let's see if we can break this one loose. No problem, it's already moving. Perfect. The only reason I can figure why they would do this is to be pains in the ass and to force people, look at that, to force people to buy an entire new carburetor when the jets get plugged up. Well, folks, that's how it's done. Then you buy yourself some of these machine screws that have the heads still on them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Alright. Now we can start work on this thing, figure out where it's plugged up.